how to change your phone number on Domino's Pizza. If you want to change your phone number on the Domino's Pizza app, first of all, you launch the Domino's Pizza app and then you make sure to log into your account by just tapping the sign in button that you can find over there. Once you've done that, you want to simply navigate to your profile settings, which could be by tapping the three lines icon from the top left, then simply going to your profile settings after you log in. Once you go there, simply select the option called Pizza Profile or something similar. Then from there, you'll find the option to edit your personal information and where you can also modify your name, email along with your phone number and enter the new phone number and save the changes. Domino's may also send a confirmation code or email to verify the change depending upon their security protocols. But to give you an idea, this is how you can change your phone number on Domino's Pizza. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.